Hi, I'm Mitch Waite from MoGanMonster.com. Over the past years, you've been able to watch my videos about chasing Bigfoot. And now we've come to the point where we have some good news about Bigfoot. Recent DNA testing from Dr. Melba ketchum's group proves the existence of Bigfoot. And I would like to personally thank her and her team, her and her associates, for putting forth the effort to collect all these specimens, doing the DNA testing, and proving the existence of Bigfoot. For those who want to find out more about this, it's all over Facebook right now. I imagine it'll soon be on national TV. But there was a press release, and it's called Bigfoot DNA Sequenced in Upcoming Genetic Study. It's been a 5-year genome study at the DNA diagnostic yields evidence of Homo sapiens and an unknown hominid hybrid species in North America. In other words, Bigfoot and Sasquatch. And this is out of Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. It goes on to say that they sequenced 20 whole mitochondrial genomes and utilized next generation sequencing to obtain 3 whole nuclear genomes from purported Sasquatch evidence. Okay, the report goes on to say the genome sequencing shows that Sasquatch mtDNA is identical to modern Homo sapiens, but Sasquatch NU DNA is a novel unknown hominid related to the Homo sapiens and other primate hominid species, crossing with the female Homo species. In other words, the father was an unknown hominid species, and the mother was actually Homo sapien, or human. This really boils down to that Bigfoot is basically related to us. They are human. There's yet to be determined whether or not they should be given full constitutional rights. They should be protected under normal law, which means if somebody shoots one and kills them, will they be held accountable for murder? We don't know. But there is a call for having them determined to be a unique indigenous people species. In other words, it's like finding a native tribe that wasn't expected in, let's say, like the Amazon or the Philippines. Just because they're different doesn't mean that we can go out and hunt them or kill them. So they really need to be protected, and I'll definitely agree with that. But this also means that really not much changes. We've learned that Bigfoot or Sasquatch can take care of themselves. They're very good at hiding. People have been looking for them for eons, and only a few people have been successful in catching a glimpse or a photograph or two. So, you know, it's not like that we're going to drive them into extinction by knowing that they are human. However, it's not going to change Mogan Monster much of anything. We've always tried to look past trying to prove that Bigfoot or Sasquatch exist. To us, we already knew that. We've seen them. We've collected so much evidence and so forth that we knew they existed. And then trying to prove it to hardcore skeptics, that can't be done unless there's a body or something like this DNA study comes out. So it's not going to change our way of doing things much. We're more interested in their social structure, their mating habits, the things that they eat, you know, about them. We're looking for information about them, and that's what we basically try to do when we're out in the field. So congratulations, Dr. Melba Ketchum and her team and her associates. Job well done.